Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For all my new subscribers, my name is Antonio. I do a lot of unboxings. I show you around Florida, and I do talk about politics and stuff like that, and I do custom made stuff and stuff like that I go and do videos of. And so if you like this content, if you like this video, because this video is going to be an unboxing and product review. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page is linked below with my PayPal donation page, and it's also in the corner of my homepage on my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it if you check that out. Now, the product that we're going to be unveiling today as a product review and unboxing, it's a Vetrol multi-socket tower. It's 14 outlet plug, 4 USB ports, 6 feet power cord cable. This is beautiful. When I seen this will save me on a lot of room and a lot of extension cords and all that. So it says a safe space, fashion, color, overload, professional, and a key control. Indicate control switch, which could control freely access to demand for surge protection and save power. Could with more USB ports. The DC correct for each USB port could be to 3.1A. Can charge mobile and kind of devices safely, and power demands in different controls. Overload protection, cut off high voltage safety. That's good. The power cord most length is 6 feet, and it's actually one of those things that goes underneath. I'll show you that when we unbox it. And the technical things to this, the product features a power socket with multi-power cord. You could length to cable to the length that you want it to be. Power, so it does quite a bit of other things here. You can do all different types of stuff with this here, with the power cord, with the USB sockets. And it says the sockets, the US style port by USA, Canada, Japan, France, Norway, Poland, Portugal, and Korea. And the USB ports is current for each USB port could be to 3.1A, can charge multiple and kind of devices from any devices you actually want. And it's really cool. It's a 14 power outlet, people. That's nice, with a 4 USB port. So this is what it looks like. I picked this up on eBay. When I seen it, it was like 30 bucks with free shipping. And this I'm actually going to go and put in the living room with the new TV that I just got. I actually did a video that I'm putting together now of the unboxing of my new TV. So this is where this is going to go to save me all that power outlet plugs that I have behind me. So let's see what this looks like. maybe not. Okay, now it's empty. Let's throw that over there. Put that over here. This is just the product instructions and stuff like that. We should all know how to use one of these. So put that back inside the box. So the cord even has its own handle. It actually spins around, just to show you. It actually spins around nicely, like that. And then the 4 USB ports here, 2 there. Then it has the power switches that you can use, that you can actually hear. It goes from each section. It goes one here, one there, one there, and then one there. It goes all the way around. This is a 14 plug outlet. And this is the surge thing that tells you on the bottom. This is the plug itself that you hook to the wall, and then the plug is right here. And this is a 6 feet cord. So you can push it like that. Push it right back into the thing when you need it. Nice. Without it spinning. And then it spins nice. You got the handle, you can hold it. Goes 360 all the way around. Power cord is right here. So let's just give it a little go. See how it works. See if it actually does have any lights and stuff like that. Now I just gotta find my plug. It's right over here. So I can just plug it in to show you guys. Actually, I have a little bit more room. There we go. So we go. It amazes me, I cannot see the cord. Just unplug this one here, right there. So there we go. Now it's plugged in. So let's see. So when you do press the button, the light goes on as you see here, and each light goes on the portal of the USBs, and you press this one, the light goes on each one. As you can see, the lights go on in every single one of them. That shows you that it's all working. So that's nice. Show you the lights again. So that's cool. Stretch it out a little bit more. When you spin this, the cord goes in. When you want a little bit more, you spin it this way here, and that loosens the cord more, as you can see. And there you go. And when you want to roll it back up, you just take the handle and you just turn it clockwise, and it will wind it right back up. But that's nice. It just stands there perfectly, like that. All the lights are on. 2 power lights are on there on the bottom. So that's a good right there. So like I said, I'm actually going to use this to plug in all my electronics and all that. Next to it, I got my TV, my Xbox, the PlayStation, the Switch, my cable box and all that kind of stuff. That's why, because right now I have like 4 extension boxes that I'm trying to cut back on that, and where I won't have so much wires. And this will do it right here. 14 power outlet. Oh yeah, this will take care of that big boy nicely. So let's shut this all down. Got all that. Let's unplug it. Let's roll it back up. Like I said, when you want to roll it up, you just twist it. And there you go. Perfect. Perfect outlet. This is beautiful. So let me show you the box again so you can see what it looks like. If you want to go and pick one up for yourself, just trust me, this will be worth the money. I can guarantee you that. For 30 bucks to get a 14 power outlet, I mean for 30 bucks to get one of these, it'll be worth it, guys. Trust me. Look at that. Nice. So I would definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. So if you like this product, you can pick it up on eBay for 30 bucks. The name is on the video. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page and my PayPal donation page are linked below in the corner of my homepage and my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. Until the next video.